Across the world, there are stories of creatures that science has never confirmed. Yet people insist they exist. A towering figure walking through the forest of North America. A serpent-like creature lurking beneath the waters of a Scottish lake. A winged being appearing before disaster strikes. They are whispered about in campfire stories, debated by scientists, and hunted by dedicated researchers. These mysterious creatures and animals have a name. They're called cryptids. The word cryptid refers to animals that are rumored or reported to exist, but have not been proved by science. These creatures live in the gray space between folklore and biology. Some are believed to be undiscovered species hiding in remote environments. Others might be misidentified animals, exaggerated legends, or something else entirely. Around the world, cultures have their own cryptids. In Scotland, there is the Loch Ness monster. In North America, the towering forest giant, known as Bigfoot. In West Virginia, the obvious Mothman. And in Mexico and Puerto Rico, the mysterious livestock predator called the chupacabra. But the idea of cryptids didn't begin with internet rumors or modern documentaries. The concept has a much older origin. The modern idea of cryptids comes from a field known as cryptozoology, the search for animals whose existence has not yet been confirmed by science. The term was popularized in the mid-20th century by a Belgian-French zoologist named Bernard Heuvelmans. In 1955, Heuvelmans published a groundbreaking book called On the Track of Unknown Animals. In it, he argued that many legendary creatures might actually be undiscovered species hiding in the vast unexplored regions of our planet. His work laid the foundation for modern cryptozoology and for the creatures we now call cryptids. Supporters of cryptozoology argue that new species are discovered every year. Deep ocean, dense jungles, and remote mountain ranges still hide countless unknown organisms. So they ask, why couldn't some legendary creature be real? Skeptics, however, say that there is no reliable evidence for cryptids. Many sightings can be explained as misidentified animals, hoaxes, or the power of human imagination. To mainstream science, cryptozoology remains controversial, often considered more folklore than biology. Perhaps the real reason cryptids fascinate us is because they remind us of how much of our world remains unexplored. Our oceans are largely unmapped. Vast forests remain untouched. Entire ecosystems exist beyond the reach of science. Somewhere in those hidden places, there may still be animals waiting to be discovered. Whether they are undiscovered species, misunderstood wildlife, or simply powerful legends, cryptids occupy a unique place between science and myth. They challenge what we think we know about the natural world, and they remind us that mystery still exists. Here on the B-side, we'll dive deeper into the creatures themselves, examining the most famous cryptids ever reported. Until then, keep questioning the unknown.